Sorry about the wind, guys, but look at this for flooding. I tried to go to Lanark, but the Lanark road's completely blocked. There's a motor coming through the flood. It's really bad, guys. There'll be another video coming out soon. In fact, I'll just join them all together. Out, guys, down at the castle. There's a guy already down here. All the roads out of Douglas are completely closed, and there's more rain on its way. He's down to the here. There's a guy flying a drone. That's like I was on YouTube. I'll put it on my YouTube channel. I've got a YouTube channel. Aye, so you can actually see the water getting higher and higher. Look at that. Can't go any further down. Look at that, the water's actually getting closer. That's rising. Guys, I don't know when this video will be out. I'll upload it. I'm going to go to some more spots around the village and try and get it. We're on the back roads to Crawford John. Alan's here. Hello. Say hello, Alan.
Hello everyone.
And we wanted to show you this, guys. Look at this. We've got the Douglas water there, and then we've got this wee burn. I don't know what this is called. What is it called again?
A burn.
It's called a burn. There's a wee mill house up there what's left yet. But look at this, guys. The whole road's fell in. I hope you're all having a fantastic Friday. I was trying to remember what day it was there. See, that's madness there. So going, that's the hint of madness. Look at that. But it's giant down there with the waters. Look how churny that is. And this is for all you guys out there that can't get out in this weather to see this. But look at this. The road's collapsed here. There's actually motors. Holy, look at that. The road's collapsed. My God. Look at the damage. There's been a massive landslide, guys. You can actually see it slowly falling away. You came, it's probably happened there, Alan. See that pipe? It's probably been broken and the water's loosened everything up. I'm no engineer. If there's any engineers, tell us what you think. But look at that. Look at the road. Look at it cracking. You can actually see the road cracking. You can actually feel it. You need to watch what we're doing. We'll need to actually turn round. I mean, it'll go up to the bridge and turn. You can actually feel this starting to crack here. The whole road, the whole banking's starting to lean off. As I say, guys, this will all be uploaded as one main video. What is this? Is this bomb thing that's been...
The snow bomb that's coming.
Is that what it was, aye? Look at that, you can see how it's run down there at force. And it's actually... I'll tell you, I hope there was no sheep down there when that went.
I hope no.
Because that's usually quite busy with like sheep down there. That's bad, I've never seen anything like this before, guys. This is absolutely crazy. But anyway, we'll take you along here. In fact, just get me along here actually. Watch, I know I can see a car coming, but that road there's actually slowly starting to collapse. I don't know, I've not been yet, that's my motor up there, but I'm just taking it for YouTube. But look at the road, it's starting to collapse at this side. Look at this, you should come out and see this. It's collapsed, it's went down the banking. It's been a big landslide. Look at this, down there. There's a better picture up here, man. Look at that. You can see what's happened there. It's obviously been broke off and it's been filling with water and it's just slid. I'm just saying to my pal, I hope there's been no sheep in there because it's usually busy as out with sheep. But look at the road, it's leaning. I'm going to go now because I like to come back before this goes. Catch you. Right guys, more coming soon. We're back at the wooden bridge. I think a car's went through the water far too quick. Everybody's turning. Let's have a look here. There's an old mine shaft actually that's just in here. Did you ken that, Alan?
Yeah, I remember you saying.
He went through there far too quick. He's went through there too quick. This bridge is unstable. See in there, that's the old coal mine over there. There's a mere shaft just in there. You can actually see the site, there's a sign up there and it actually tells you there's a mere shaft in there. But it's somebody's went through here far too quick. I wonder what it's like further up. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see if we can get you some more footage for after. But that car's just abandoned there.
Oh, I bet you there. I can't even be up the there. Just walked up the road there. It's.
I'll see if
it's along there or up the corner.
Right, catch you later.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do a wee driving video right before the road's totally impassable. The car there was a BMW. Don't ask me what model it was. You'll probably be able to tell me that in the video. But she drove through a puddle and it sucked it into the engine. It's a BMW, guys, and the intake's on the bottom of the engine seemingly. So we're going to head back, guys, a wee driving video back to Douglas, and we're hoping to try and get up the west because we've got some business we need to do there.
Nope.
So enjoy the drive, guys. Oh my god, man, my nose is running off. Is it this cold weather?
Sure is.
Let's get back here before it totally... that taxi, there was a taxi, it must have turned round.
He's turned round.
It's not that bad here.
You'll find a link up anyway along the route. It's under permanent right away.
Everybody's saying that this is unpassable. I mean, I wouldn't say it was unpassable. It's as if you're driving across the field to the left. You know, they're drinking all the salt in my, what do you call it, wheel arches.
That's right. That's right.
There's actually, see at the left there, and people that watch me, there was a, this was old Glesman, this is the Glesman, the original Glesman, because you can actually see where the houses were. And please tell me, was there a mill in at the left? See the houses there?
See that?
The only thing is, you need to watch when you're driving through these puddles, you do. Some people go through them far too quick. And that's what the problems begin. But this has been crazy, isn't it?
Absolutely. Bad.
I'm going to leave my window there for you, so you can see better. But the road's collapsing. I bet you, see if it rains tonight, which it is to rain tonight, I bet you that whole road collapses.
It's sure step.
But you're driving. You ever watch the videos online where the guys drive through the ford? It's kind of the fords you get in the water.
Oh, aye. Oh my gosh.
There's a big puddle, ladies and gentlemen. This is where a Land Rover would come in handy with a snorkel.
I can afford the snorkel, but
Say,
no the Land
suppose
Rover.
that guy says to me, this is 3 feet deep. It's like half a foot deep.
Aye, that's it.
Not even half a foot deep. I'm in a kind of, what do you call it, anyway, people carrier, isn't it?
That's right. Yeah.
The puddles and all that, it is going down, the water's dropping. That road is going to collapse, that is reported.
Yep.
Imagine if you were coming around here at night, you've never seen that.
Aye.
It's a dog.
Yep. That's danger right away.
Heating back up and the fan down so it doesn't sound like a jet taking off. Oh, it has dropped her.
Oh, it has a bit. It's a wee bit.
I was meant to go shopping today, ladies and gentlemen, but I couldn't because of this.
Right, Christopher, you're okay on my side. That's super.
Ladies and gentlemen, I wonder what's it like where you guys are, if you are in the UK, Canada, America, Australia. I know that the Australians were experiencing really bad flooding. Was it a couple of months ago?
That's right, aye. Floods and such.
There's another landslide down there, sir.
Sure do.
The hillside of the hill, I can't show you guys because I'm on a main road, there's nowhere to stop. But the hillside of the hill slide right into the river.
Yep.
That's amazing, that is.
Sure is.
I mean, the rain last night was so heavy, guys. I've never heard anything like that. And it just lasted for what, 8 straight hours?
Yep. Flash, smash, flash.
time's the petrol station shut?
Should be maybe about 5:30 at least.
So at least we managed to get out and do a video. I mean, all the other videos I'll join them all together tonight, edit them all, upload them, and it should be some good watching. There should be a good 15, 16, 17 minutes. There's some flooding down here again.
Yeah, it's bad.
I just take my time. I mean, it's a main road, but I'm doing about 35. There's nothing in front of me. You need to watch when conditions are like this. Right, at least the water dropped here. Wait till you see this, ladies and gentlemen. If we can get across that is. I was hoping to do some stuff. It's not as bad as it was. It's dropped.
It's a bit.
There we go. Look at that. That has dropped something. That has dropped significantly. Considering the water was coming out of the metal fence there.
Oh, that's bad, Chris. It really is bad. Just shows you nature.
Ladies and gentlemen. See when there's more flooding up here. See we'll see if we can get you.
Right, okay.
So guys, we'll be back with you shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, I would just like to thank you all for watching. We've come up and there's no more flooding, so that's actually quite a good thing. So we'll catch you all later, dudes, and have a happy new year, and have fun.
Yep.
Stay spooky.
Yes, definitely.
And we'll see you next week for a special live we've got lined up. Catch you later, dudes.
See ya.
Bye.